Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Now today I am making something special for Father's Day. It will go very fast and within 15 minutes your breakfast is going to be ready for your father. So please do try it. I'm going to make crepes today. Crepes are very famous in France. It originated around the 13th century in a place called Brittany, that is northwest of France, where a lady, she just accidentally dropped some porridge onto a hot plate, and in those days people did not waste food, so she ate it. But after eating it, she was so taken up, and of course now it's history. Definitely crepes are somewhat like, they are pancakes actually, but they are more delicate, and you have different fillings to it. They are of two types. It can be savory, which is the salt one, or the sweet one. Now first we have to do the mixture of the crepe, that is the batter for the crepe. Now I am going to use a standard cup. This is the cup I'm using, 1 cup of flour. Initially, in olden days, people would use buckwheat for it. Now I'm using the dry ingredients. I will put in 1 teaspoon of sugar into it and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt into it. That's according to your choice. And I will mix the batter well. Just mix the batter nicely, the dry ingredients nicely. And then I will add milk into it. Milk is 1.5 cups of the same cup I'm going to use. Milk into it. And mix it very nicely. There should be no lumps. If you want to add a little vanilla to it, you can. That's personal choice. And mix it very nicely. It takes time. There should be absolutely no lumps. Now this takes time. And after mixing the whole thing up nicely, you have to leave it for at least 1 hour. And I will add a tablespoon of oil. That gives it the softness. Any white oil you can use for it. Any white oil you can use, which does not have a strong flavor. Now today I am going to make banana stuffed crepes. Crepes are so famous in France that they celebrate a particular day. That is the 2nd of February is celebrated as the National Crepe Day in France. Now I am keeping this away because I have already made the batter. Since you have to let it stand for an hour, I have already made the batter. Now I will show you how to make the crepe. Now this is just see the consistency of the batter. It is a nice flowy consistency. Nice flowy consistency. Now I'll switch on my gas. Put some butter into it. I prefer it with butter, it gives a good taste. Let your butter melt a little. The pan has to be medium hot. And I'm going to put a ladle full of this into it and just roll it nicely. Of course, in France they use a crepe tool for it, you know, to have it very uniform. This doesn't take much time to get cooked. Just a little more butter on this side. When it's done, it will just leave the sides, so you know it's done. It will take about a minute or so. Just let it get a little golden. Oh, I had forgotten, we add in 1 egg also. 1 egg also goes into this. One cup of flour, 1 egg, 1.5 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar if you like it sweet, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now it's getting, see, it's done. I'll just flip it over. Now crepes are so famous in France that they have a national day to celebrate it. That is the 2nd of February. On that day, everybody just keeps eating crepes. They have crepes for, you know, you can have crepes for lunch, dinner, breakfast, anytime. They just love crepes. Put the filling into the, only half of the center you put it. Don't put it too much on the side, because when you flip it, then it just comes out. Banana and strawberry is also a very good combination. You can do that also. It's done. Now, what crepes are to France, you know, hot dogs are to America. Now I'm going to serve it. Just take it out. And I like it drizzled with some, I will drizzle some chocolate sauce. You can drizzle some honey. You can drizzle some maple sauce. It takes no time. Please do try it, and friends, do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback also. Thank you so much.